I brush my cat's fur. I brush my cat's fur.
I take photos of my pet. I take photos of my pet. I wash my dog once a month. I wash my dog once a month.
I hear my cat purring at night. I hear my cat purring at night.
I sleep next to my pet sometimes. I sleep next to my pet sometimes. I clean my pet's bed every week. I clean my pet's bed every week. I take my dog to the park. I take my dog to the park. I hold my cat on my lap. I hold my cat on my lap. I let my pet sit on the sofa. I let my pet sit on the sofa.
I am grateful for my pet's love. I am grateful for my pet's love. I feel sad when my pet is sick. I feel sad when my pet is sick.
I buy toys for my pet sometimes. I throw the ball for my dog. I throw the ball for my dog. I play with my pet after work. I play with my pet after work. I give my pet fresh water. I give my pet fresh water. I feel happy when I see my pet. I feel happy when I see my pet. I feed my pet every morning. I feed my pet every morning. I take my dog for a walk. I take my dog for a walk.
I love my pet very much. I love my pet very much.
I share my pet's photos online. I share my pet's photos online. I think pets are part of the family. I think pets are part of the family. I watch my pet play outside. I watch my pet play outside. I miss my pet when I am at work. I miss my pet when I am at work.
I wake up because my pet licks my face. I wake up because my pet licks my face.
I have a pet at home. I have a pet at home. I call my pet by its name. I call my pet by its name.
I take my pet to the vet. I take my pet to the vet. I am grateful for my pet's love. I am grateful for my pet's love.
I teach my dog simple tricks. I teach my dog simple tricks.
I talk to my pet every day.
I talk to my pet every day.
I hear my cat purring at night. I hear my cat purring at night.
I feel happy when I see my pet. I feel happy when I see my pet.